Title: What is technology? 5-minute explanation intro, 0 o'clock to 0:20 soft background music. Hi everyone. Welcome to this video where we explain technology in just 5 minutes. Let's find out what it is, why it matters, and how it's changing our lives. What is technology? 0:20 to 1 o'clock technology means using science and tools to solve problems and make life easier. From the wheel in ancient times to smartphones today, it's all technology. It helps us work, learn, travel, talk, and even stay healthy. Examples of technology minus 1 o'clock to 1:40. Let's look at some simple examples. Phones, to communicate; computers, for work and fun; cars, for transport; internet, for information and connection; electricity, to power almost everything. Why technology matters to 1:40 to 2:30. Technology has changed the world. Helps students learn online, doctors save lives with modern machines, businesses grow faster. We can talk to anyone around the world in seconds. Technology makes life smarter and easier every day. Types of technology minus 2:30 to 3:30. Here are some types of tech: information tech, computers, software, internet; medical tech, machines for hospitals and health; farming tech, tools that grow food faster; industrial tech, machines in factories; transport tech, planes, trains, electric cars; the future of tech. 3:32 for 30. What's coming next? Artificial intelligence, AI, smart machines that think; robots, helping in factories, homes, even space tech, exploring planets and stars; green tech, solar energy, electric vehicles, saving Earth. The future is full of exciting new tools. Conclusion minus for 30 to 5 o'clock. So, technology is all around us, in your hand, in your home, in the sky. It makes life better, but we must use it wisely. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share if you learned something new. End screen with title: Technology is the future. If you're watching this video, then you've probably realized that you're living in the future. You have a computer, an internet connection, and maybe even a phone in your pocket. But let's take a step back from all of that. What is technology and why does it matter? In its simplest form, technology is using science and tools to solve problems and make life easier. It can be something as simple as the wheel or as complex as a smartphone. In fact, anything that makes your life easier could be considered technology. And yes, that includes your iPhone. Let's look at some simple examples of technology. Phones, which you're probably using right now to watch this video, are used to communicate with other people. They allow you to make voice calls, send text messages, and share photos and videos instantly. And if you're a tech enthusiast, you can even use them to connect to the internet and access a wealth of information. Computers are another great example of technology. They're used for everything from word processing and spreadsheets to gaming and streaming movies and TV shows. Many people use computers for work, school, or creative pursuits like video editing or graphic design. Cars are a bit more complicated than phones and computers, but they're still a relatively simple example of technology. Cars are machines that use combustion engines or electric motors to power wheels that allow people or goods to move from one place to another. They've revolutionized transportation and made it possible to cover vast distances in a relatively short amount of time. Now, let's look at something a little more complex. The internet is a global network that allows computers and other devices to communicate with each other. It's made up of a vast infrastructure of cables, satellites, and routers that transmit data around the world at the speed of light. The internet has become an indispensable tool for communication, commerce, and entertainment. Finally, electricity is perhaps the most ubiquitous form of technology in our daily lives. It is generated by power plants and distributed through a network of wires and cables that power everything from our homes and businesses to our phones and computers. Without electricity, modern life as we know it would simply not be possible. You might be thinking, well, all of this is great, but why does technology matter? Well, put simply, technology matters because it's everywhere. It's in our homes, workplaces, schools, and even in the products we consume. Technology has changed the world in countless ways and continues to do so at an ever-increasing pace. For example, it's helped students learn online, doctors save lives with advanced medical machines, and businesses grow faster than ever before. But perhaps most importantly, technology has allowed us to connect with other people in ways that were never before possible. With a single click, we can talk to someone on the other side of the world, share experiences, and learn about different cultures. There are many types of technology, including information technology, which deals with computers, software, and the internet. Medical technology, which encompasses the machines and equipment used in hospitals and clinics. Farming technology, which includes the tools and techniques used to grow crops and raise livestock. Industrial technology, which focuses on the machines and processes used in manufacturing. And transportation technology, which deals with the vehicles and systems used to move people and goods from one place to another. The future of technology is truly exciting. Some of the most promising developments include artificial intelligence, which involves the creation of machines that can think and learn like humans. Robotics, which deals with the design and construction of robots that can perform tasks in a variety of environments. Space technology, which is focused on exploring and understanding the universe beyond our planet. And green technology, which aims to develop sustainable and environmentally friendly products and processes. So there you have it, a quick overview of technology and why it matters. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.